condensed milk, bread slices, cream and milk, full cream and milk. Cut the edges. Cut any shape would you like. I use triangle shape. Cutting complete. Add oil in pan for frying slices. Add 1 liter milk in pan. Some green cardamoms add in milk. Boil milk on medium flame. When the oil is hot, add slices in oil and fry. After golden brown, put in plate. Corn flour 2 tablespoons, add in room temperature milk. Corn flour add in milk and mix well. After boiling, half packet of cream. Add in milk. Mix well. Half tin condensed milk, add in milk. Slices 1 by 1 dip in cooked milk. Put in plate. Garnish with almonds. Cool in refrigerator, then eat. Please like, share, subscribe Con Food Official.